Ladies and gentlemen, it appears as if the Supreme Court is going to overturn Roe versus Wade. Let's take a look at talk about what this may mean for the country. Ladies and gentlemen, this is from the New York Post, written by Patrick Riley, and literally just came out minutes ago. It's titled, Supreme Court has drafted opinion to overturn Roe versus Wade. The Supreme Court has voted to overturn Roe versus Wade decision that provides women with a constitutionally protected right to an abortion, a report said. Part of the argument coming out, or that the justices are making, is that it was never a constitutionally guaranteed protected right. And what's that Joe Biden just said? No amendment to the Constitution is absolute. The draft majority opinion was written by Justice Samuel Alito and provided to Politico. Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, Alito writes in a 98-page draft opinion obtained by the outlet. The conservative-controlled Supreme Court has rejected the 1973 decision that guaranteed constitutional protection for abortion rights, as well as the subsequent Planned Parenthood versus Casey decision in 1992. The Planned Parenthood versus Casey kept Roe versus Wade going. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overturned, he writes in a document labeled as the opinion of the court. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. All right, ladies, the part I want to talk about is what this means for the United States. See, we have this great divide, and if you notice now, the divide gets wider and wider and wider. Look at First Amendment. Now you have, since Biden came out with his little free speech anti-committee thing. What was that thing called? Disinformation Governors Board, right? You have red states coming out saying, no, you're not going to do that here. We're not going to allow it. Look at Second Amendment. Now you have Second Amendment sanctuary states, right? Texas, Florida. Even look at the topic of illegal immigration. You have immigration sanctuary states. California and Washington, New York, D.C. And so we're really becoming more and more divided. So I think this is going to have a major effect on where we go forward as a nation. Because on certain amount of these topics, there's no more meeting in the middle. It's just not going to happen. See, that choice has been taken away. It used to be First Amendment, we could meet in the middle somewhere. Second Amendment, we could meet in the middle somewhere. Abortion, we could meet in the middle somewhere. It's just the left wants unrestricted abortion. They want abortion up until and after the point of birth. I did a video on it. You don't believe me? You can go back and check out the video. The right wants no abortion at all. The far right, anyway, want no abortion at all. Second Amendment, left wants to ban all semi-automatic weapons. Biden's on record saying it's not just your AR-15 or your AK-47. Go watch Colin Noir. He did a show on it. I did a show on it. Plenty of people have. The right wants unfettered access to firearms for law-abiding citizens. The right wants to crack down on illegal immigration and close down the borders and let people through the legal way. The left wants unfettered access of illegal immigrants into our country. There's no meeting in the middle. We've gone so far apart. That's why I keep saying I would hope a civil war never comes. Maybe cooler heads will prevail and people will learn to meet in the middle. But things like this are gonna create a shift, because now you're gonna have red states passing abortion laws, getting rid of gun laws, cracking down on crime, cracking down on illegal immigration. So what do you think people who disagree with those things are gonna go? They're gonna find their way back to states who are friendly towards that. Mark my words, that's gonna happen. So it might actually be a peaceful divorce where leftists stay where they are, we stay where we are. You don't have to worry about it. You know, they pass our laws, we pass our laws, come together for some big laws every once in a while. Other than that, though, we really don't have to deal with each other. I think that's kind of where it's breaking down to. But I just wanted to get this out there. It's not about my abortion opinion or my opinion on abortion or anything. It's just where we could go as a nation. That's kind of the thing with this. It's kind of the thing with all these big decisions coming out, like with the First Amendment attack, you know, by the Disinformation Governors Board, illegal immigration, Second Amendment, abortion, all the big issues now we're split on. And for those of you who've been married and divorced, you know that's a bad sign in a marriage when you start disagreeing on the big issues. All right, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, especially in these days and times, keep your paddle dry and do what you got to do.